Hey everyone, it's Anand Bhutani and I want to ask you a question. Are you patient-centric? Well, what's patient centricity? It's a mindset where you want to figure out what matters to a patient as a whole and as a group. So having a patient viewpoint takes a patient's perspective of what's being studied and what sorts of outcomes you're looking for in their daily lives. And it's important to know this in clinical research. This is why getting patients involved in studies early on to help in the study design, the outreach plans, marketing plans, and the site locations is tremendously useful. Being patient-centric in a clinical trial can be as simple as providing the proper educational materials, reimbursing patients for their time and travel fairly and on time. Companies that are focusing on patient centricity often don't look at the short term because they're making long-term gains instead, and those prove to be a lot more valuable than the sum total of the short-term gains. To take the steps of being more patient-centric, you have to place yourself in the eyes of the patient, and this is why researchers who have previously been patients sympathize with clinical trial participants more effectively. Things you have to look at as you start taking a patient-centric approach are things such as focus groups, obtaining feedback, engaging patients, and creating a partnership with the patients that is around education. And it's important time to start doing all these steps because new technologies and social media have shifted the environment. Patients are more aware and smarter about their own conditions. So this means if you're not part of the conversation going on between these communities online and around you, you'll be missing out on important opportunities. So it's vital as you as a sponsor or a clinical research site plan and start taking the necessary steps to accomplish this. Hopefully this gets you going and gets you motivated to start taking on patient centricity as a center point of your clinical trials and your approach. It'll pay great dividends, and hopefully if you need more ideas, you'll reach out to me. You can find me on LinkedIn at Anand Bhutani, A-N-A-N-D, Bhutani, B-U-T-A-N-I, or on TrialJoin, and you can email me at trialjoin at trialjoin.com. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, see you then.